Squadron leader Sarfaraz Ahmed Rafiqui was a fighter pilot in the Pakistan Air Force. He is known for bravery and courage in two of the aerial combats Indo-Pakistani War of 1965, and is a recipient of both the Hilal-e-Jarat, Crescent of Courage, and the Sitara-e-Jarat, Star of Courage. On the evening of 1 September 1965, IAF intervened at Cham sector to stop the Pak Army's 12th Division offensive against Aknor, with three strike formations of de Havilland Vampires of No. 45 Squadron of IAF flying in for close air support. Rafiqui along with Flight Lieutenant Imtiaz Bhatti, of No. 15 Squadron, while patrolling at 20,000 feet, near Cham, was directed to the attacking aircraft. A total of 4 attacking aircraft, 3 from one formation only, were shot down, 2 by Rafiqui. He was awarded with Sitara-e-Jarat for this mission. On 6 September 65, he was tasked to lead 4 aircraft of No. 5 Squadron to strike IAF Halwara Air Base along with Flight Lieutenant Yunus Hussain as his No. 2, Flight Lieutenant Cecil Chowdhury as No. 3, and Flight Lieutenant Salim as No. 4, reaching there. However, due to the missions flown earlier in defense of Lahore, the aircraft were made ready for flights at given time, critically delaying the raid. Later on, while taxiing, the generator of F.L. Salim malfunctioned and hence a 3-ship formation finally took off for Halwara. Halwara had 2 Hunter squadrons, No. 7 and No. 27 Squadron, the former moving in from Ambala in August 65, stationed there. The formation pulled up for attack on target, immediately intercepting the cap formation of Flying Officer A.R. Gandhi and Flying Officer P.S. Pingale of No. 7 Squadron. After scoring 1 kill onto Pingale's Hunter, Rafiqui's guns jammed. He ordered Chowdhury to take lead carry on the attack and providing cover to his tail. While doing so, his plane was hit by Flying Officer A.R. Gandhi. Ejection was tried, however it did not prove successful due low altitude. According to flight surgeon who had been to crash site, the body of a tall, brown-eyed PAF squadron leader had been found a few yards from the wreckage. The wreckage of Rafiqui's Sabre No. 52 5248 is still held in IAF Museum at Palam. For his bold leadership displayed over Halwara, Rafiqui was awarded Hilal-e-Jarat.